Do quartz countertops stain? Quartz countertops are known for their durability and aesthetic appeal, but many homeowners wonder if they are prone to staining. Below is a comprehensive overview of quartz countertops and their resistance to stains. 1. What are quartz countertops? Quartz countertops are engineered surfaces made from about 90 to 95% ground natural quartz crystals combined with resins, polymers, and pigments. This manufacturing process creates a non-porous, durable surface ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. 2. Are quartz countertops stain resistant? Yes. Quartz countertops are highly stain resistant due to their non-porous surface. The resins used in manufacturing prevent liquids and substances from penetrating the surface, making them more resistant to stains than natural stones like granite or marble. 3. Can quartz countertops stain? While quartz is stain resistant, it is not entirely stain-proof. Certain substances can cause discoloration or stains if left on the surface for extended periods, particularly wine, coffee, and tea, tomato sauce and citrus juices, oils and greasy substances, strong chemicals like bleach or paint thinners. 4. Why do stains occur on quartz? Stains on quartz usually occur due to prolonged exposure to certain substances, chemical reactions with harsh cleaners, or residue buildup over time. The resins in quartz can react with high pH substances, leading to discoloration. 5. How to prevent stains on quartz countertops. Wipe spills immediately with a damp cloth. Use mild soap and water for daily cleaning. Avoid harsh chemicals and abrasive cleaners. Use cutting boards and trivets to protect the surface. Avoid prolonged exposure to acidic substances like lemon juice or vinegar. 6. How to remove stains from quartz countertops. Mild soap and water. For light stains, clean with a soft cloth, warm water, and mild soap. Baking soda. Paste. Gently apply a paste of baking soda and water to stubborn stains. Isopropyl alcohol. For tough stains, use a cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Avoid abrasive cleaners. Do not use scouring pads or harsh cleaners that can damage the surface. 7. Are quartz countertops more stain resistant than other materials? Compared to materials like granite, marble, and concrete, quartz countertops offer superior stain resistance due to their non-porous nature. Unlike natural stone, quartz does not require regular sealing to maintain its resistance to stains. 8. Long-term maintenance of quartz countertops. Maintaining quartz countertops is relatively simple, but consistent care is essential to prevent staining and ensure longevity. Regular cleaning, avoiding harsh chemicals, and protecting the surface from damage will help keep quartz countertops in pristine condition. Quartz countertops are highly stain-resistant but not entirely stain-proof. With proper care and maintenance, they can remain beautiful and free of stains for years, making them an excellent choice for both kitchens and bathrooms.